Hey everybody, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today I am working again on this transfer. A little bit earlier I did the hot coffee. I have a video on it if you want to check that out. Today I'm going to do the next transfer in here, and that's Baked Fresh Daily. And I'm going to do it on this reclaimed drawer from Couture. It's fast and easy, so let's go. Okay, so the first thing, I pull this off upside down because with the bigger transfers, you don't want it to stick on itself. It just makes it a little easier. Place it on this drawer and rub off all the bubbles in it so it'll make a good transfer. Now I'm using the color bark for a brown, and I'm just adding a little bit of water because it was a little thick. You want it like a yogurt consistency. Now just take your squeegee, and I have the angled squeegee that I'm using, and just put the paste on, apply it, and take off the excess. Then you just want to smooth out all the lines, and then you take it off in the reveal. And there it is. I told you it was fast and easy. Doesn't it look great? It's a lie, however. I don't bake fresh daily. I don't bake much at all. But doesn't it look good? I think it's awesome. Well, thanks everybody. If you'd like to look further, go ahead over to my website, chocouture.com/Cherie Criswell. Thanks for watching.